Welcome to this session on Apache Hive interview question and answers. Today we will cover a very common and essential concept: how to enable dynamic partition in Hive. This topic is critical when dealing with large data set and optimizing performance using partition tables. What is dynamic partition? In Hive, partitioning helps dividing large table into smaller, more manageable pieces based on column values. Static partitioning. You specify partition columns values manually. Dynamic partitioning. Hive automatically determines the value for partition column during insert operation. Why use dynamic partitioning? Dynamic partitioning is useful when you insert large data set with multiple partition column values. Manually assigning partition value is inefficient or impossible. You want Hive to infer the partition based on the data. To enable dynamic partitioning in Hive, you need to set several properties. Let's break them down. Hive.execute.dynamic.partition equal to true enables dynamic partitioning. Hive.execute.dynamic.partition.mode equal to non-strict allows all partition to be dynamically created. Default is strict. Hive.execute.maxDynamic.partition maximum dynamic partitions allowed in one job. Hive.execute.max dynamic partition per node limits partitions per node. Let's look at the detail example. Suppose we have a source table, create table sales raw, product ID int, create category string, amount double, sales date string. We want to load data into a partition table, that is create table sales partition product ID int amount double partition by category string sales date string stored as ORC. So insert statement will dynamic partition. So the query will be set hive.execute.dynamic partition equal to true, set hive.exec.dynamic partition mode equal to non-strict. Insert into table sales partition, partition by category, comma, sales date. Select product ID, category, amount, category, sales data from sales row. Hive dynamically creates partition based on category and sale date. Let's look at the best practices. Use ORC or Parquet format for partition tables for compression and performance. Monitor the number of partition to avoid too many small files problem. Set proper limits for set dynamic partition to avoid resource exhaust. If asked in an interview, how will you load data into a partition table dynamically? Talk about enabling hive.exec.dynamic partition, set mode equal to non-strict, creating partition target tables, write insert queries with partition clause. Dynamic partitioning helps signify data loading. It avoids hard coded partition values. Proper configuration in is essential to ensure smooth execution.